Where to put those diagnosed with the virus is becoming a growing concern. Earlier this week, King County announced plans to purchase a Kent motel to house quarantined patients.
So today, the city of Kent took King County to court, hoping to block the plan. King 5's Eric Wilkinson joining us live on Kent Central Avenue, the site of that proposed quarantine center. What's the latest from there?
Late today, that judge denied Kent's request to block this facility, and it didn't take long for somebody to come in and paint over the sign that once said Econo Lodge here behind me, painted over in black with King County vowing to move forward. King County says this now former Econo Lodge is the only motel on the market that meets the health department's criteria for housing quarantined coronavirus patients with nowhere else to go.
We must move quickly.
Needing to act quickly, the county moved ahead with its plan, but never consulted the city of Kent.
I'm frustrated.
Kent Mayor Dana Ralph asked the judge to block King County's plan because it hasn't applied for the proper permits to house sick people. She worries patients would be allowed to come and go without proper supervision and might spread the disease to people in her community.
I need to be able to look my citizens in the eye and say to them, we're doing everything we can to make sure that you're safe, and I have not been able to get satisfactory answers to those questions to be able to do that. Again, I just want to confirm we know that we have a role to play in this. We know that that's really important. We are a big city, not at all saying that we don't have a responsibility. We just want to do it in a way that is safe and responsible.
15 people will be allowed to live here. We're told that some of them could move in as early as tonight, although we haven't seen any evidence of that. For her part, Mayor Ralph says that she and the city will continue to fight this in court next week. Back to you.
So, Eric, what are people there who live and work around that location? What are they saying tonight?
Well, this is a very densely populated area. There are a lot of restaurants. There's a Denny's across the street, a convenience store. There's a bowling alley right behind me. Those folks are concerned that because this is going to be a voluntary quarantine, that these people will be allowed to come and go as they please. They're worried that they could walk into a restaurant and infect some customers there. They're worried about that. There's also a sizable homeless population here that could further complicate matters.
All right, Eric Wilkinson live. Thank you, Eric.